Storing your Renault Trucks E-Tech D or D Wide for a few days is very simple. When you don't use the vehicle for several days, the batteries can discharge. To keep your vehicle running at optimum efficiency, we recommend that you always keep the batteries charged to a minimum of 20% to maintain their integrity. If you're not planning on using your vehicle for a week, the easiest way, if you can, is to leave the truck connected to a charging point. An intelligent system in the vehicle stops recharging when the battery reaches 100%. It can reactivate charging, if necessary, to maintain a full charge level. This means that your vehicle will always be ready to start a new mission with maximum range. If you don't have a socket available to leave the vehicle plugged into, it's important to monitor and check the state of charge of the batteries regularly, particularly during the winter months. This check is very simple. It is carried out on the dashboard. Switch on the ignition and read the battery level on the display. As soon as the battery level falls below 20%, we recommend a full recharge. This allows the 600-volt batteries to continue recharging the 24-volt batteries that power the truck's electronics at regular intervals. Note that if the vehicle is stored for less than 1 week, the chassis switch does not need to be used. If the vehicle is stationary for more than 1 week, without the possibility of remaining connected to the recharging point, we invite you to watch our video, Storing the Vehicle Over a Long Period. Enjoy the drive with your electric vehicle.